Here we are, Malham, the car park, just setting off. Got 2 dogs and the wife. What are you doing in there? Yeah? Oh. Hey, Willow. Go on. Good dogs. Away. Hop, hop, hop. Windy. Trying to get the dogs still kissing kids. A lot of people today. This Sunday, I suppose. And everyone's entitled to come out for a walk, aren't they? There we go. Come on, dogs, Lou. Good dogs. Here we are now. Come through the little bit of woodland, coming up to Janet's Foss. Quite a few people here. It's an absolutely brilliant place to visit. We're so lucky to live where we are. Hour and a half, I think it took us to drive to Malham from home, which is nothing really, is it? Here, come on, dogs. Here we are, coming up. This is normally people camping here. Doesn't look like anyone's camped here this year. Coming Gordale Scar now. Won't get the full effect until we actually get there. So we've got a bit of a waterfall to climb when we get there. That'll be interesting with the dogs. near me. I just climbed that with the two dogs, with the help of that gentleman down there taking the photo. Hell of a climb. A bit frightening that really, especially with two of them. I remember getting up once with Duke. Oh. Deep as well, the water up here today. Really deep. Right, we're climbing back out of it now. This isn't the steep bit. We've come past the worst of it, even though it looks pretty steep. Yeah, Gordale scar, conquered with two dogs, an elephant. And no, these steps don't go all the way down. And the help of a nice Indian gentleman passed my bags up when I got the dogs up, so I didn't have to go back down. Thank God. Alison's got a whip bum look. Ali, you enjoy that climb? Look at poor Willow. Poor Willow, she's not a rock climber. She's frightened of heights. Plus the fact she tried to run down. And then jumped off from the third up. But she's alright. She's a Labrador. Malham tarn, the outlet for us. Quite windy it'll be today. There we are. Sorry, back down. We are. The water. Yeah? You doing? Sleepy. Area, water. bottom of Malham Cove. Quite a big area. If you see the flood, it goes a little bit further, but it does all disappear. So oh, here we are, Malham Cove, and the water from water sinks. You can tell it's the water from water sinks, it's the same colour. A couple of climbers on, not a lot. Maybe he's having a tea break actually, there's a few set about. But no, pretty impressive, isn't it? So well, all our school every year came here for a day trip. Took half a day to get here and half a day to get home on a shadowbank coach that couldn't do over 30 miles an hour. No,